Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send international money via MoneyGram. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So before starting, make sure that you have the recipient's full name, country, and contact information. And this will ensure that your money reaches the right person safely and quickly. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your MoneyGram account, whether online or open the app, and then next you will click you will basically see the send money option right here, which is either send money online, send money at location, or send money in app. So just whatever you want, and then you will just have to select international if it is visible for you, and after that you'll just have to enter the recipient's details like their name as on their ID, the country, the phone or email, and then you will just have to enter the amount and choose the delivery method, which is either cash pickup or bank deposit, and finally you will just have to pay using your preferred method and note the reference number, and you could also share the reference with the recipient to track the transfer. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.